Good evening, Sylvia.
Good evening, Mama. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm okay. I'm happy to see you.
Oh, nice to see you too.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
So I
Yes.
am here talking with Sylvia, one of our borrowers and one of the leaders of one of the borrowing groups in Amaru. And she's going to tell us first a little bit about herself and her family, please.
Yes. Thank you so much. I'm by the name Achan Sylvia. I am one of the community members, the beneficiaries for TGC program. As we are in Olwal in Amur district, we are quite a number of people, vulnerable women, joined together to get the empowerment. As I mentioned, my name is Achan Sylvia. My life, as you said about myself, I am a woman, a mother of five, a vulnerable mother. I've been helped by the TGC program since they came into the program. You know, during the insurgency in northern Uganda, our life had been so difficult. Our men had resulted into drunkenness. Life became so tense. We lost our dear parents. I myself am talking. I lost my mother and my sister was shot dead just near me by the rebels during the insurgency in northern Uganda. I couldn't really go to school for long because I couldn't afford no one to help me. I started becoming a child mother, as I was also a child-headed household. I had my sisters that I was taking care of them. I couldn't do it anymore. I decided to get a man to help me, but he didn't help me anymore. When TGC came into program, I became so excited to check on how really we are now going to survive. I used to be a woman who could walk in streets looking for money for my children to survive. Life was really not easy. Like I was almost a beggar. So when TGC came into program, I became organized.
How do you see the loan program helping other women in your village?
The loan program is helping my women in the village because these women they used not to have anything. But as I speak now, if you come, you see the women are smiling. They are happy because it has helped them. They are so excited. They can even eat twice a day. Others used not even to eat. Even they can afford at least one cloth that they can put on as a woman, and they can pay their children to school. Their business is progressing. They have gone to the next level, not as they used to be. So they are so happy, and you see them coming with a smiling face as I'm doing it. Yes. And
Okay.
we pray that we continue having that empowerment. We shall be so excited.
Okay. Is there
Yeah.
anything you would like to say to the ladies and gentlemen in America who've been supporting the TGC program?
Oh, yes. Um, what I can say is, I kindly request because at the moment we have vulnerable more women still coming for this TGC program, and they really still need the support. I myself, I will be so excited when my fellow women are empowered like me because I feel these women coming in. They are women, they are widows, most of them are widows, and they really need this kind help because no one has ever brought this program apart from TGC program. And I kindly request anyone out there to continue coming in to support these fellow women, so we shall not have any more tears. Thank you so much, the TGC supporters. I am so excited for what you have done in my life. My life has changed. I am not like those days because I used to cry. I used to move in streets looking, begging like people don't buy my things, but with the skills I got from the TGC program, I'm so excited for this wonderful work you have done, and pray that you continue to give us this more support for our vulnerable women that stand as women, as we had not been recognized, but now we are being recognized because we are now firm. We can talk with so confidence. With this, I'm so excited and happy, and pray for more support. I'm so happy.
Okay. Thank you so much, Sylvia.